Did you know old engines can run for hundreds of thousands of miles if you take proper care of them? One of the smartest habits you can build is giving your engine the right oil care. But here's the truth, just changing your oil isn't enough. There are a few tricks mechanics use to make tired engines run smoother, quieter, and even extend their life. Let's get into them and make sure you stick around because the last one might be a game changer for your car. Secret 1. Warm up before draining. Running your engine for 5 to 10 minutes before an oil change turns thick, sticky oil into free-flowing liquid. Warm oil doesn't just drip out, it flushes out sludge, dirt, and tiny metal shavings that cold oil leaves behind. That means your fresh oil stays cleaner longer, keeping your engine healthier between changes. Secret 2. Use an engine flush occasionally. Older engines collect sludge after years of use. A flush acts like a deep clean. Pour it into your oil before a change, let the engine idle for 10 to 15 minutes, and when you drain, the sludge goes with it. Don't overdo this, use it every 3 to 5 changes to avoid harming seals. Done right, it gives your engine a fresh start. Secret 3. Replace the filter every time. Changing oil without replacing the filter is like washing your hands and drying them on a dirty rag. Old filters are full of grime, and if you leave them, your fresh oil gets dirty immediately. Always use a quality filter, it's essential for older engines. Secret 4. Choose oil wisely. Not all oil is the same. Using the wrong viscosity is like running a marathon in the wrong shoes. Engines wear differently with age. Your manual may suggest 5W30, but if your car burns oil or has low pressure, a slightly thicker oil may help. Mechanics don't guess, they listen to how the engine runs and adjust accordingly. Secret 5. Top off between changes. Old engines burn oil slowly, and waiting for the oil light is too late. Check your level every 1,000 miles. If it's low, top off with the same oil you last used. This simple habit prevents serious damage. Secret 6. Shorten oil change intervals. Don't push an old engine 7,000 miles between changes. Worn motors shed more metal and sludge, so change oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles max. Frequent changes keep oil passages clean and extend your engine's life. Secret 7. Use quality oil. Never cheap out. Premium oils like Mobil 1, Valvoline Max Life, or Castrol GTX High Mileage resist breakdown, fight sludge, and protect seals. Paying a little extra now can prevent costly repairs later. The bottom line, keeping an old engine alive isn't luck, it's about smart oil habits. Warm up before draining, flush occasionally, replace filters, choose the right oil, top off, change more often, and always use quality. Follow these 7 tricks and your engine can stay smoother, quieter, and stronger for years. Don't wait for a knock or a leak, start now and give your old engine a second life.